In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister responds to opposition's pre-charge suggestion to replace use of states of emergency. Where was the firing party? Why the police are upset after Sunday's burial of slain officer. And UTech admin staff back on the job after protests.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Okay, Janella. Well, this evening we're talking about Regency Petroleum Company. Their IPO was oversubscribed within a day, and I'll give you that and more in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan. What's coming up in sports, Jordan?
Well, Herman, Brazil and Portugal have punched their tickets to the round of 16 of the FIFA World Cup, and the West Indies say they're looking to make things tough for Australia in their series down under. I'll have the details a little later on.
Really? There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the proposal by the opposition for pre-charge detention to be used to go after criminals?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.